is the day that I'm going to put my new wheels on the RCF. Whew. According to Fitment Industries, they should fit. The specs are in the front. I'm going to have 19 times 9.5 with 25 offset, and the rear is going to be 19 times 10.5 with 25 offset. So they are transferring everything, the sensors and everything. And the reason I'm going this route is because I'm trying to save money. If I was to have Fitment Industries give me new tires and with sensors, it would be like over another $1,000. So I'm not really trying to do that. This is way cheaper. And yeah, so I did my research. The back wheels are going to have some stretch and the fronts will sit kind of flush. Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. So today is a couple days later from the first part of the original video. Now today's video is going to be straight to the point, being because it is super cold and I don't feel like being outside right now. But basically I got new wheels for the RCF and I installed them on I think Wednesday. Today now is Saturday. Also, happy Christmas Eve to y'all. Happy holiday. If you don't celebrate Christmas, then I hope you're having a great day regardless. I don't feel like doing any cinematic shit right now, but I'm gonna just show you guys the wheels I got. So here we go. You know what? I've decided to commit to this cinematic mode. Hopefully I still have my fingers after this. But let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm crazy. Guys, these are the wheels. These are Koenigs. The fronts are 19 by 9.5 with 25 offset. The rears are 19 by 10.5 with 25 offset. I kind of rub in the rears, I think. Maybe the front. Oh shit, it's so cold. But yeah, guys, these are the wheels on the car. I'll take the close up. So I try to complement it with some red lug nuts because my G37 had red lug nuts with chrome wheels. So these aren't chrome, these are more like silver or gray. But yeah, I try to like replicate the G37 look. Those are the fronts, these are the rears. The rears have a more concave look to it, meaning that they are pushed in more than the fronts. If you can't tell, this should give you the better angle. Do you see how it's pushed in? Yep. So these are the wheels. I'm gonna be honest, I like them, and I'm going to fully explain why I got these wheels rather than other wheels later on in the video. But right now, it's cold as shit. I got people looking at me like I'm a madman because, yeah, this is actually crazy. I'm just doing 360. Look at the wheels. I kind of like it. I'm going to be honest, you know. I like the look. It's not crazy. But, yeah, ignore all those things on my windshield. But, yeah, it looks nice. It looks nice. Sheesh. Okay. These are Koenig wheels. The reason why I got these wheels is because they are flow formed wheels and they were the best wheels in my budget. That means that they are like, I'll say 87 to maybe 90 something percent forged wheels. What does that mean? That means that these wheels are stronger and they are lighter than your just regular alloy wheels. That's why I chose these wheels, and to me they look the best. They were flow formed, and which means that they are way lighter. So that means that there's what's that word? But yeah, guys, these are the wheels. They are Koenigs. I'm sorry that they're not works. Well, if you're sitting here just thinking to yourself, oh man, he ain't get works, he ain't get SSRs, bro, how about this? How about you buy me works? Okay, how about you buy me SSRs? But yeah, I like these Koenig wheels. I like them a lot. I feel like they look nice. They're sturdy. With these wheels, I have better handling. And yeah, believe it or not, these wheels were also featured in the Fast and Furious series. But yeah, guys, it's super cold. It's crazy cold, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kept it literally short and straight to the point. I'm sorry for not doing any cinematics because it is cold to just be standing out there and maneuvering my phone in slow motion. So I'm sorry. But if you did enjoy this video, hit that like and subscribe button. And also, if you want to see more of these wheels, follow me on Instagram at turtle_RCF. That's where I'll actually be posting more. And when the weather does decide to become better, I'm going to do a more detailed video on these wheels. But for the time being, I just wanted to just push this out there. And yeah, see you guys. Peace.